right, EOG Mini Lesson number 7. Which choice describes the value of m when negative 5m plus 1 is less than or equal to 23? So I'm going to start with the distributive property because I have to distribute before I do anything else. So I have negative 5m, and then negative 5 times a positive 1 is going to give me a negative 5. And then I bring down my inequality and my 23. From there, I'm going to add 5 to each side. So I end up with negative 5m is less than or equal to 28. So then I'm going to divide by negative 5. Remember, when you divide by that negative 5, you flip the inequality. So when I look at my choices, the reason I chose not to just completely finish is because I saw that my answer choices weren't completely finished. So I know C and D can't be right, and I know M has to be greater because I had to flip my inequality. A teacher divided the class into 2 groups of equal size. 3/8 of the group are right-handed. 80% of the second group is right-handed. What fraction of the class is right-handed? So I have to figure out, okay, what fraction of the class is right-handed? So let's do some thinking. Let's change everything to percentages. Might be a good way to start. So I have my part and my whole. I know that 100% would be my whole. I get 20. So I'm going to multiply by 20. So I get 60%. So if I wanted to find the average, if I wanted to find what both groups were together, I would add them up. So 60 plus 80 is 140%, but I have to divide that by 2 because there are 2 groups. So that would be 70%. So now I need to see which one of these is going to give me 70%. Be 7 out of 10 because it would be 70 over 100. A bill for a laptop was $249. The cost of parts was $84, and the labor charge was $55 per hour. How many hours did it take to repair the laptop? So I have 55H plus the $84 for parts. It's a total of $249. I'm going to subtract 84 on each side to create my zero pair. Oh, I didn't need to do that. To create my zero pair. Bring down my 55H and my equal sign. Then I'm going to divide by 55 on each side. So I'm going to do repeated addition just because I think that would be the faster way to do it. So I end up with 110 plus 55. It's going to give me 165. So that's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So it took 3 hours. All right, the quotient. Quotient means to divide. Of 3 times the number n and 6 is 8. So 3 times the number n and 6 to the quotient. All right, so I probably need to rewrite that without the division symbol. I probably need to write it as a fraction. It's probably going to make more sense to me. There we go. And then I need to unpack it. So I'm going to multiply by 6 on each side. Because if I divide by 6, I have to multiply by 6. And I end with 3n equals 48. Then I need to divide by 3 on each side. and I figure out that n equals 16, because 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 48 divided by 3 is 16. Make sure you do your cool down, email me the one you choose, and go ahead and submit your lesson. Have a great rest of your day.